So, sitting in the college car park on a Monday, before I go into college, I thought I should do a vlog on how the filming went over the weekend. I was due to do it on Saturday. That was the original day to do it, and that's when I booked everything and etc. But I was ill. I wasn't here last Wednesday either because I was ill, and I was just getting over it on Saturday. And I thought if I left it one day, I'd probably be able to get better shots on the Sunday. So that is what I did. I called it off until the Sunday. All my actors were still available. I had told them that was going to be like the reserve just in case something happened on the Saturday. I was able to get the day off work on the Sunday to get it done. And yeah, I feel like the film went really well. I seem to manage it quite well myself, probably better than I have done with the rest of it. Most of them quite complicated scenes. Well, kind of complicated scenes. I had to set up things differently in each one, different lights in each one, different actors and that, but I had to keep the camera in the same place because it's on a slider, so I had to go in the same place. So I had to make sure everything was set up quite quickly, and actors moved out of position and in position quite quick to minimise the change in continuity. And yeah, I think that's all I really need to say on the filming aspect of it. I filmed every shot once. Every shot managed to film once. I filmed it for like each shot for about a minute and a half-ish. I think around there. I don't know. Over a minute anyway. I only use about 3 seconds of it. But to do that, just in case there's something wrong with the first 3 seconds or so, I made sure they were in focus. So then I could just keep rolling it backwards and forwards, and then I'd pick the best bit from the whole minute, and I should only need around 3 or 4 seconds of it, so I should be able to find a decent 3 seconds from there somewhere. The only shot I had to film twice was the third shot, which is the one of the older couple, and that is because I, for some reason, didn't have it in focus in the first time, so I filmed it for about a minute and a half, looked back at it on my computer quickly before I sent everything away, and said, oh no, set up focus, stuck my SD card back in, left the camera in the same place for each shot when I reviewed it, just in case there was anything wrong, and then bang, stuck the camera back in, and off I went and filmed it the second time, and it was right. So yeah, cool.